Okay, good day everyone. Today is February 23, 2023. We are now this year we go back to the construction of our church building, and last year 2022 we prayed that this year we're gonna go back to the construction, and thank God for the provision. God allows us to construct again. The work now is the additional column. We put concrete in the column, and at the same time the pouring of concrete also to the beam. See, so we use lots of wood. That's how we construct here in the Philippines, using coconut lumber, and it's a lot of them. So thank you, and keep on praying for us that the Lord will provide for our need for the construction of this church building. Thank you, and good day to you.